how you make me feel. Oh, you give me chills, baby.
Hey y'all, this is Kel and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, if this is the first video you're watching, I look a fool and there's an explanation. So my last video, I just did a review on a deep conditioning mask, which I am absolutely in love with. If you want to see that video, of course, it'll be in the card somewhere, one of these places. So you guys can see it, and of course it will be down in the description box. But here I am after freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. And I'm going to show you guys how I do my natural puff. Which, that's how I've been wearing my hair as of lately, because it's too hot in days to wear a wig. And I know I haven't been doing wig videos, and do I have a lot to do? I do. So companies, I am very, very sorry. It's been a crazy couple of weeks. I mean, my birthday just passed, like a lot of stuff's been going on, so I haven't been able, and then of course I've just been tired, you know what I'm saying? Just a lot of stuff been going on. So, now that I'm trying to get back into the spring of things, I am trying to get more into my natural hair routine, so you guys can see that, since that is what I am wearing most of the time. And of course the wig videos will be back. They have to be back because I have to do wig videos for companies. But they're going to be back really soon. But I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I do to my hair. I'm just taking out all of my twists from when I did my video on the deep conditioner. But yeah, okay, here we go. With this look crazy fro. Oh, I got one more. With this look crazy fro. So here we go. What I'm going to do first, of course, is comb this out. So my hair is pretty much completely detangled. And then what I'm going to be doing is using my favorite product. Is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. This is the only thing I have been using on my hair, and my hair has been popping. Like, my hair loves this stuff so much. I do not know why. It doesn't have any parabens, no mineral oil. Y'all know I'm country. Y'all know I'm country. No petroleum, no sulfates. It's awesome, and it's only like $5. And I only use this Wetline Extreme Gel, water, and sometimes if I want something more than water, I use aloe vera juice, that's this, which I'm probably gonna use this. Wetline Extreme Gel, and if I need like some type of edge control, I would use the Murray's Edge Wax, more than likely, or the Gorilla Glue when I really needed to, you know, stay there. Y'all know that Gorilla Glue ain't no joke. But I have to wash my hair after that one because it kind of makes me break out. I don't know what's really in it, but it works to lay my hair down. So I'm going to use it every once in a while. So I'm probably going to use the Murray Edge Wax for my edges, and that's it. This is literally going to be 3 ingredients. If I get my fingers right, 3 ingredients. Puff. And that's it. So, of course, I'm going to speed everything up. I may talk you guys through it, but that's all I'm going to be doing. And, yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. So you can see how these curls pop. Pop, pop.
Yeah. Cause I'm
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad.
right? My hair is drying a little bit, so do I still got a couple of white spots in my hair? Absolutely, but those will dry. I just let my hair air dry. I do not use a blow dryer. You can if you want. I do not. I use my Murray's Edge wax for my edges to just put them up. I'm not a baby hair girl. Y'all know that from the wig video. So this is it with the waves and whatnot. And I just washed my face, so which you guys will see that in the video probably after this one. So here we go with this. So that's it. That's my puff. It's pretty much, I'm not gonna say dry, but it's not as wet as it was when I started. Let me go ahead and give y'all the 360. Here's the back of my hair. Hopefully y'all can see all that curl poppage. So yes, what I did, I wet my hair down with water first. So I use warm water because I told you guys I have low porosity hair. I use warm water so everything can penetrate my strands. So warm water, and then I go in with my aloe vera juice. And then after that, I totally coated my hair with the African Pride shea butter and flaxseed oil moisturized and defined curling cream, which is this. I will put it on the side for you guys. Totally slather that across my head, and then of course I go in with the wet line extreme gel. Y'all know about wet line extreme gel. So much better than Eco. Mind you, I used to still use Eco, yes, but that right there just changed the game. I don't know what it is about it, but it's awesome. And those are the only two products I use on my hair, besides water and aloe vera juice. And then of course I use the Murray Edge wax to go ahead and slick this on up. But that's it, and I don't put anything on the back. I just use the regular gel, the wet line extreme gel for that. And that's it, y'all. That is it. That's my hair. These are my curls. These are my curls, freshly washed curls. Will my hair look better the next day? Yes, it will. It always look better the next day because it's frizzed out a little bit. Right now, it is defined. It still has some frizz in it. That's why I like doing it this way, because I still have a little frizz. But usually it frizz out throughout the week. And then of course, I wash my hair. This time it took me about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks to wash my hair, which is bad, y'all. I usually don't do that. But here we go. Freshly washed hair, conditioned hair, and puff. Awesome. And on my whole head today, I've only used 3 products, which was the deep conditioner, the curling cream, and the wet line extreme gel. That's it. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you got something to say, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. And of course, share my video with all of your natural hair loving friends. Yes. And of course, subscribe to me because I would love to have you a part of my family. And that is it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.